Howdy, folks. It's Stone Ward McCarthy here with Keller Williams Realty, bringing you your update for Toronto GTA real estate in January of 2021. We're going to have a quick look at here at Market Watch. Market Watch looks kind of year over year data. But what I'd like to do after a quick synopsis here of January stats, I'd like to dig a bit deeper into absorption rates to give you a bit of more of a lower micro perspective of where possibly the different real estate markets are going. So yes, it seems like a very positive report again, and you're probably hearing in the media that this was released today, February 8th. You're hearing in the media about how our condo market is possibly bouncing back, and we'll have some information on that in a second. But the long and short of it here is, look, we had a very active January market. Sales were up almost 50% year over year. Our inventory is up. Our active listings are down, of course, helping contribute to that lack of supply again in our market. Our average prices are up, 15.5%. And the largest of those appreciation in terms of real estate we're seeing in the 905 sector, again, because we've got that cohort of people who are selling their condos downtown to get outside of the city and buy homes. The only sector there really that saw negative growth in terms of average price was the condo apartment market in the 416. Okay, so that again seems negative, but that's a year over year stat. Let's look at December 2020 versus January 2021. So one of the things we do always, every Monday, is we pull what we call the absorption rates of the different markets. That of, let's say, houses, detached, semis, and rows, we pull the absorption rate. So that is a simple indicator: how many houses sold last week or how many condos sold. What's available on the market right now? Okay, divide the two of those, and you get the weeks of inventory. That's, of course, if you do this every week, you can do it monthly as well too. But it gives us an indicator of the weeks of inventory in both markets. And of course, if that weeks of industry starts to decrease, it means your supply is getting tighter. If it's increasing, as we saw with condos, definitely throughout the latter part of last year, we had almost up of 28 weeks of supply in the condo market, which of course is why our prices were slipping in that sector, because it was an oversupply and demand was down. But then as of January this year, we noticed that really slapped back down to 12 weeks. We saw it down to 9, down to 7. And this week, when I pulled the numbers today, we saw that the absorption rates for condos were down to 4.9 weeks of inventory. So that's super tight. So again, we've seen it with multiple offers coming into the condo sales market again in the 416. So it could be an indicator that if that supply or weeks of inventory remains low, that market sector could actually bounce back with a vengeance, as it was pre-COVID and has been for probably 5 to 7 years, being the strongest growth sector in the Toronto real estate market. So there you have it, folks. I think as the year goes by, my kind of insight would be is that, look, I do think that increase of supply will occur. And that we will see markets come down a bit, because we are seeing a real frothiness in the market right now. A lot of multiple offers, bully offers, preemptive offers, a whole lot, and creating exorbitant prices in our market. I do hope the supply increases, and we'll keep you updated on that, of course, on a monthly basis. It's Donald Ward McCarthy here. Thanks for your time, as always. Listen, stay safe, particularly as our kids all start to go back to school. If you are going that route, just stay safe, and thank you once again for your time. It's Donald Ward McCarthy here with Keller Williams Realty. You stay safe.